So there's major repairs needed on your house. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, I've been buying houses in and around Columbus, Ohio, all throughout Central Ohio and all throughout the great state of Ohio. And many of the people that I speak with and have been speaking with over the years, there are major repairs needed on their house. And maybe they're thinking, maybe I should fix this up myself. And that's an option, or maybe I should just sell the house in its as-is condition. What I have found, not only in my own personal life, but in my professional life as well, from working with so many people, the best thing you can do is sell the property in its as-is condition and not have to deal with these major repairs yourself. Think about it. I know it sounds good, and you know what it is. There's so many TV shows, HGTV, all these different things. They look at, oh, before and after, and make it look so easy. It is not easy, and it's very risky, as a matter of fact. Taking on these major repairs yourself, it's very costly, it's very expensive, but it's risky because you're dealing with contractors. Hopefully they're licensed, bonded, and insured. If they are, you're going to pay even more for that, but really you should only work with licensed professionals, or they're going to want you to do some of the work. You're going to be a weekend warrior now. You're going to the Home Depot, you're trying to clean up, and it's just a job site. Now you're like, time is being evaporated. Your time is so much better invested doing other things, not managing a rehab project. Now you're a project manager. Now you're a weekend warrior. You're trying to handle these major repairs. The best thing you can do is sell to an authentic, a real, transparent cash buyer who will buy the property with these major repairs going on. We don't care. We'll buy properties with any condition at all. We've bought properties that needed major excavation type of work, foundation issues, roofs, hot water tanks, HVAC. This is common for us. All new windows. Believe me, I'm here in Ohio. Some of these houses, you know, they're old houses. They need it all. I'm talking knob and tube wiring, right? Copper plumbing. It's just these old homes. And if there's major repairs needed, the worst thing you can do is try to tackle this thing yourself. Let's just get this thing done. You're going to get a fair price. And when you pencil out the numbers, if you were over here to put the money in yourself and all the time it's going to take and all the costs versus just selling it for a fair price in its as-is condition quickly and conveniently, when you pencil out the numbers, you're typically going to net the most amount of money just selling it as-is as well. You're going to net more money, and most of all, there's no headaches. It is absolutely a bear to deal with these major repairs needed on a property, and the best thing you can do most times is just sell the property in its as-is condition. That's exactly what we do, and we're going to make it fast, fair, and convenient for you. So if you have a house that needs major repairs and you want to at least just see what we could do for you, contact us today at 614-300-5151, or just visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. When you go on the website, you can just fill out a little form. We'll get on the phone with you. As I mentioned, we buy houses all throughout Ohio, and really there's no repairs that are too big or too small. We've seen it all. We've been doing this a long time. We're going to treat you fair. We're not a call center. We're not going to play pressure. We're not going to put pressure on you. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. That's exactly what we are. And we have hundreds and hundreds of reviews and testimonials of people just like you that had houses with major repairs. We were able to buy the house, keep it fair, keep it convenient, and just keep it easy because we're a true cash buyer. So if you have a house and you want to sell it in its as-is condition and not deal with any major repairs needed, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.